Hello, WeHo. It's Eddie Robinson from WehoTV News. The City of West Hollywood is actively supporting community members impacted by the coronavirus COVID-19 pandemic. And joining me to discuss social services and resources available from the City of West Hollywood is Social Services Manager David Giugni. David, thank you for joining us, and I hope you're doing very well.
Thank you for providing this time for me to speak a little bit about the social services available to the West Hollywood community during this COVID-19 public health crisis.
So tell us, what role does the City of West Hollywood's Social Services Division play in response to the coronavirus COVID-19 pandemic?
The Social Services Division works very closely with the city's nonprofit social services providers to provide much needed services such as food, shelter, mental health and general health services, legal services, and also financial assistance.
How has the City of West Hollywood Social Services Division responded to COVID-19?
As I mentioned, the city works with its nonprofit providers to provide services to West Hollywood community members. COVID-19 has changed the way that many of our services are being delivered. For updates for service delivery, please check the city's website, www.weho.org, for the latest information on available services and the delivery of services.
How does the City of West Hollywood Social Services Division work with community partners to respond to the pandemic? And can you tell us a little bit about how the City of West Hollywood Social Services Division has adapted to the requirements of social distancing and quarantining due to COVID-19?
The city's social services staff are working remotely. Our contracted providers are being creative in the way that they deliver their services. Many of these services can be delivered over the phone, but sometimes the providers will use social media platforms such as Teams and or Zoom to deliver services. In addition, our transit providers are assisting with home-delivered meals and also delivering packaged groceries. So there's not a need for folks to go to a congregate meal site and or to visit a storefront standalone food pantry.
What impact has the coronavirus had on other essential operations of the City of West Hollywood's Social Services Division?
In addition to much-needed social services, our division also oversees the city's transportation programming. This includes the 100% subsidized Metro Bus Pass program for senior community members and community members living with disabilities. This program is being run 100% remotely. Every 30 days, the Bus Pass coordinator loads fare on the participants' tap cards for the next 30 days. This happens regardless of whether or not we receive a reminder notice or not. The Bus Pass coordinator is making check-in calls to participants to make sure that their tap cards are working correctly and to make sure that they're safer at home. Also, just to see if there are any other needs that our division may be able to assist with.
What would you like the West Hollywood community to know regarding the City of West Hollywood Social Services Division's response to the coronavirus COVID-19 pandemic?
We would just like the community to know that we're here for you. Don't hesitate to reach out to the Social Services Division. Give us a call at 323-848-6510. One of our staff will return your call within one business day. Please do leave us a detailed message. And finally, please stay safer at home. Thank you.
Well, thank you so much, David. And be sure to visit weho.org/coronavirus for updates on the City of West Hollywood's response to the coronavirus pandemic. And also follow @WehoCity on all social media for the latest updates from the City of West Hollywood.